everybody, I'm Jennie Newman, your host on Podpocalypse, where we scour the wasteland of the internet for sexy, geeky, funny content so you don't have to. First up, it's a ship. It's a plane. No, they're Legos. Check out these 15 insane Lego creations of real objects and places. These artists had some time on their hands, and boy, am I glad they did. Look, it's MC Escher's Ascending and Descending. The USS Harry S. Truman built to scale. Even an authentic recreation of the Parthenon. Many of these items took tens of thousands of Legos to create. That's a lot of loose Legos, my friends, and if I remember one thing from my childhood, it's that stepping on a Lego barefoot is not a party. So let's hope they were careful. Look, I made a stick! Geeky! Okay, check it. See this $5 bill? What would you say if I said I could turn Honest Abe into Skater Bro Abe? Nah, you probably wouldn't say much, but it's still really cool. I did it, and with these 10 easy steps, you can too. Oh, hello, Mr. Lincoln. Looking mighty fine. Hey. Want to go out sometime? Okay. Sexy. And finally, we leave you with this video of a dog who's clearly had a rough day. And he's not having this bull dog. This bull dog. Now that's the news from the wasteland. Go to podpocalypse.com to see all of that and more. And come back next time. Think you found the next viral hit? Leave a comment below or a video response on our YouTube channel. Making him with a cap is bull, and whoever made these instructions were lying. Lying. Look, it's Abe Lincoln with a cold compress on his head. He had a headache. So anyway, guys, this is Abe with a headache and cold compress because I care. And this is Rebel Abe. He's gonna go hang with his homes.